What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best short throw projectors in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save money and still get a solid product, we say check out the Optoma GT1090HDR, the best budget short throw projector available on the market in 2022. Compatible with 4K signals, although its original resolution is 1080p, this module is capable of displaying 3D movies and is based on digital light processing projection technology. The GT1090HDR is short range, with a ratio of 0.5 to 1 and a brightness of 4200 lumens. Really great lighting that'll allow you to project from any room you want, be it a game room, two-story, family room, and more. The device has HDMI 2.0 connectivity, VGA, and 300,000 to 1 contrast that'll provide you with detail and sharp images. Brightness and color rendering also maintain their quality, while the brightness of a projector with light bulbs can slowly degrade over time. Sound noise is the noise that the device emits while in use. Some devices have an environmental mode in which operation is quieter. Also included in the mix is DuraCore, the so-called laser light source, which eliminates the replacement of both lamps and filters for almost up to 30,000 hours, essentially without maintenance. To achieve maximum engine durability, the Optoma GT1090HDR comes with an IPX6 rating. This certificate provides dust resistance. Also, we must not forget HLG, as well as HDR10 technology, which will give you deeper levels of black as well as bright white. In addition, you'll be able to stream videos, play your favorite games, and share photos, all thanks to the compatibility of connecting to game consoles and media players. We should also mention the support for a refresh rate of a great 120Hz, which will give you smooth and clear images without any flicker. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Epson EpiqVision LS3000. The best value short throw projector available on the market in 2022. This model is equipped with Android TV and uses Yamaha sound devices. The projected image can measure up to 120 inches, while remaining sharp with a high contrast ratio thanks to fine control of the laser light source. In the 4K HDR visual world, one may justifiably wonder about the importance of choosing full HD resolution. But the new Epson combines many qualities, and it would be a shame to miss it. The laser light source uses 3 LCD technology with 0.61 inch and C2 fine LCD panels. There's no DLP on the model. Epson manufactures its LCD panels and competes with brands that adore micro mirror chips. With a high brightness of 3600 lumens, the long-lasting Epson LS300 Android TV Edition laser is ideal for midday day sessions, as well as for large-scale events such as sporting events or movies. Its integrated stereo audio system consists of 2 20-watt Yamaha-powered speakers. This Epson projector can replace a TV in the living room with just the right technical screen. With its discreet and elegant design, the Epson LS300 Android TV Edition video projector easily fits into the living room. Easy to install, this ultra-short-range projector has 2 HDMI inputs, one of which is ARC and can be connected to the internet via Wi-Fi. As for the sound part, the device can be transferred into a Bluetooth speaker and allow you to take advantage of the Yamaha Sonic department's work on this device. The factory-configured image modes are classic Epson. Therefore, we find the dynamic, colorful, bright cinema, and natural modes. This laser projector displays the image without cropping. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product we'll talk about is Hisense 120L5F, also known as the best mid-range short throw projector available on the market in 2022. This model sports a lighting system called X-Fusion Laser Light Engine that guarantees a brightness of 2700 lumens. At least 25,000 hours of operation are also guaranteed. The static contrast ratio is greater than 1000 to 1, while the dynamic contrast ratio is approximately 2000 to 1. The two projectors support 10-bit and offer 84% coverage for DCI-P3 color space and over 60%. The device is combined with a 120-inch screen that requires a slightly larger distance of 35 centimeters. Also, this device is made to minimize the influence of light present in the environment. It projects a bright, colorful 4K image on your ALR display that reflects ambient light, designed to be viewed from the other side of your room in your home. achieve laser-sharp values of detail and brightness and focus that was previously only seen in cinemas. The blue laser source provides a more accurate image and offers natural vision while preventing unwanted light scattering with incredibly realistic image quality and sharp clarity UHD 4K 3840 by 2160 pixels. The L5F laser TV uses a blue laser source to produce sharp, accurate images with impressive detail, avoiding unwanted light scattering for a more natural viewing experience. You will definitely enjoy the enhanced Hisense color gamut that displays realistic images with the precision of its laser light source. Exceeding the standard UHD 4K color range, the color screen has been improved, and brilliant colors can be viewed from any angle. Hisense's cinema technology and proprietary technologies work together to create laser-focused details and glitter that can only be seen in cinemas. This projector uses an X-Fusion laser light source that simultaneously provides a brightness of 2700 lumens and more than 85% uniformity of illumination. And finally, through MEMC technology with less response time, this projector can deliver up to 10 times faster motion than OLED screens. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. If you're looking for a top-quality product and you're not hesitant to spend a few dollars more, we single out the Samsung Premiere LSP9T as your perfect match. We're looking at the best premium short-throw projector available on the market in 2022. This is a device that allows you to expand the diagonal of the image up to 130 inches at the price of a good 75-inch TV. However, it has all the necessary technology for that. Supports for 4K resolution, extended dynamic range, and the icon of modern TVs, the Smart TV package. Using a triple ultra-short focus laser allows the projector to achieve a high brightness level of 2800 ANSI lumens, leaving all competition behind. The device has an ultra-short range, which allows it to be installed near a wall or screen with the required distance of 4 inches, and even to be moved to another room if necessary. Finally, it uses a triple laser that provides greater brightness and clarity. If we add to this the integrated 4.2 speaker system with a subwoofer with acoustic beam technology, compatibility with HDR Plus and Smart TV package, it's clear why this is a premium product. As for the settings, the projector menu has nothing to envy the TV. There's room for fans of experimentation. What causes real excitement and respect are the geometry settings, which can be changed not only for 4 corners of the screen, but also for 15 points within the network. It's clear that at night the picture is bright and saturated. And the most important impression is the complete cinematic experience when you sit in a comfortable chair just a few meters from the screen. The size of the picture sucks you in and creates the illusion that you're in the cinema. It is an ultra-short focus laser projector, which allows it to be installed indoors without the need to mount it on a ceiling. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And now we present you the LG HU85LA, also known as the best overall short-throw projector available on the market in 2022. We're looking at a projector that is 26.8 inches wide, 13.7 inches deep, and 5 inches high, which is actually quite compact. All in all, the projector is basically a large rectangle, but it is very modern, and the white color scheme with the gray speaker environment looks great. Once installed, the LG HU85LA will look perfect in any home theater. On the front of the unit, there is a beautiful fabric cover that covers the built-in speaker and indicator lights. At the top is the projector's focus adjustment, and at the back are the projector ports. Outside the box, you get great connectivity, including 2 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports, which can be used for both media playback and power. There's also a USB-C port, which is a nice touch. Setting up the LG HU85LA is quick. You start by setting up the projector between 2.2 and 7.2 inches from the surface you want to display. It may seem like a small variation, but it makes a huge difference. At a distance of 2.2 inches, the projector will deliver a screen size of 90 inches, while at 7.2 inches, you'll get a projector of 120 inches. As with many other smart platforms, you can choose from a number of streaming services and access other gallery features. If you like voice commands, you can also use the built-in microphone of the remote control to access various applications, change the volume, and much more. In terms of specifications, the projector is a laser projector that offers a huge 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160, along with 4K magnification and support for HDR10. It also offers a contrast ratio of 2 million to 1 and a brightness of 2700 lumens. The content is beautifully detailed, and all the colors stand out. Overall, this product delivers premium quality at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.